Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the English class. Students, yesterday I told you about the tenses. Actually, tenses is a form of word which expresses time of an action or a state of mind. Actually, if we are doing something that shows our action, for example, Ram is playing cricket, and in this sentence, Ram is doing something and he is playing, and playing showing his action. He is happy, and happy is a state of mind. Students, I explained you there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And in the present tense, present indicates that the action is done at the present time, as I see a bird flying in the sky. He reads a book, they play cricket, they dance well, Rima speaks the truth, and the past tense indicates that the action was done in the past time, as I saw a bird in the sky. They played hockey. They spoke the truth. I told you lie. And the future tense indicate that the action will be done in the future time, as I shall see an aeroplane. He will go to hospital. He will read a book. Student, each of the three main tenses has four forms. Each of the three main tenses has four forms. And first is simple indefinite, second continuous, third perfect, and fourth perfect continuous. And today I'll discuss only present tense. And first of all, I am going to tell you the uses of simple present tense. Simple present tense, when it is used. Students, simple tense is used to express what actually takes place at the present moment. And the teacher teaches the student, the player plays the game, and the sweeper sweeps the room, and to express what is universally true. For example, 2 and 2 makes 4. And simple present is also used to express habitual fact. He goes out for a walk daily. He gets up early morning. He goes to bed early. And present continuous tense, when it is used. Present continuous tense is used to express an action that is happening at the time of speaking. For example, they are playing cards. They are studying. I am teaching you. I am talking to you. I am telling you hard word. These examples show the action is happening at the time of speaking. And next is present perfect tense. Students, present perfect tense denotes an action that has just been completed. Example, he has solved the sum. She has done her work. They have completed their work. The peon has cleaned the room. And the next tense is present perfect continuous tense. Students, present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which began in the past and is still going on. For example, we have been waiting for the results since Monday. I have been teaching you for last 20 minutes, and I have been making a video for last 3 minutes, and the work has begun in the past and it is still going on. It shows present perfect continuous tense. Students, tomorrow I will come again in front of you with past tense. I'll tell you about past tense, and I hope you might have understood present tense very well, and thank you for listening me attentively.